Thank you very much for liking my last video. Very auspicious day today. Happy Diwali to all of you. My name is Dr. Ali Akbar Gabrani. I'm going to share one very auspicious, very important strategy. I believe कि अगर आज के दिन ये मेरी बात आपने अपने जहन में ले ली, and if you start implying this in your life, you will see the transformation within 24 hours. Everybody wants to live a happy, joyful, and a contentful life. But somewhere down the line, we want to live a happy and joyful life, but still we are living a mediocre life. If you want to use your potential to the fullest, I'm going to share only in one strategy. One skill. Knowledge is 15%. Skill is 85%. We run after knowledge. Today, on the day of Diwali, I'm going to teach you one small, finest, beautiful skill, which if you use, you will be able to live a conscious, awareness, successful, joyful life. We all live life, but we don't know how to manage our mind, body, emotions, energy. When the day comes, we are on that bed, let me go away. During our lifetime, in our 24 hours, I am asking you, how many moments you are living joyful and happy moments, and on the bed when you go at night, नहीं आज का दिन मजा नहीं है. If I need to live my life with contentment, with joyfulness, I need to manage my mind, my emotions, my body, my energy. I am a manager of 10 people or 10,000 people. I cannot manage them unless I manage myself. To manage myself, I need to manage my internal technologies, my interiority. I need to look inward. The moment I look inward, I am going to understand what are the flaws and what are my weaknesses, where I need correction. I am going to share with you internal management, very easy, very lucid, implicable, doable. Let me tell you, this is the time. No generation has got this time. The way technology has improved, the way social media, each and every comfort is available for this generation. But still we are unhappy because in creating material life, we are actually not focusing on inward internal technologies, my interiority, and I am destroying it. So along with this life, along with this material life, I need to look inward also. Then I am going to make little progress in that, and then I am going to see this. I've told you I am going to show you, I am going to teach you one small technique which will transform your life. See, you cannot change outside world, but at least what I have with me, within me, my body, my emotion, my energy, is I can change that. If I am actually depending on outside, my locus of control is outside, then I am living a slavery life. And the biggest slavery on this earth is I am actually living a mediocre life and an outside dependent life. I cannot change the environment, but at least I can change what I have with me, within me. I have my remote control with me, within me. I have my power with me, within me. If someone decides what is actually happening in me, with me, within me, then I am the biggest slave on this earth. I am the biggest slave. I am giving you only one technique. Live your life with responsibility. Responsibility means ability to respond. Just shift one gear of your life and you will see the change. At this point of time, I am living my life with reactivity. I need to shift this reactivity into ability to respond. The moment I respond, first thing you will transform is your action. You know, within 0.25 seconds, I can die. Within 0.25 seconds, I can live. Within 0.25 seconds, I can create my life. Because that is the time you require to shift your gear, to shift your cognition from reactive to responsive. Life is very small. The time of your life is only 0.25 seconds. You need to decide, I want to die or I want to live. I want to live and I want to live my life to the fullest, or I want to live my life in a mediocre way. The moment you shift your paradigm from reactive to responsive, because normally now at this point of time I am living my reactive life. Reactive. I keep creating tension. I keep creating tension. The moment I become responsive, I become creative in my thought, in my feeling, in my behavior. And that is what we require. What happens when you are in a reactive phase? You don't know, you lose your awareness, you lose your consciousness, you lose your focus, and your action becomes reactive action. And then you realize, oh my God, I should have not done this thing. By the time it's too late. But if you know how to shift your cognition within that 0.25 seconds, be responsive, your awareness will start working with you. Your consciousness will start working with you. You will be focused and you will know how to take a rational decision. See, your life is only 0.25 seconds. You need to make it either a failure or a successful life. You have to decide. If you know how to manage and how to maintain this 0.25 second in your life, you become creative. You live your life with awareness, you live your life with consciousness, you live your life with focus, and you will never regret your decision. Because you have taken your decision with understanding, with awareness, with consciousness. That is the super way to live your this life. ना हमको बचपन से सिखाने में आया है. The moment you say something, your last word I will complete. Don't do that. If you are reactive, you keep going on a panic situation. And if you are responsive, you are calm, you are composed, you are not getting angry. At least active angry, you are not getting angry. My humble request, suggestion to you, shift your paradigm from reactive to responsive. The moment you shift your paradigm from reactive to responsive, first thing you will develop is your patience. Second thing you will develop is your wisdom. The moment you have these things, because this thing comes only with awareness, with consciousness, with your focus. You know what not to speak. You know what not to do. This is more and most important. People are successful. People are living their highest quality life only with one component, and that is a component of responsive. Hope you will start implementing this responsive component in your life in every situation. In every situation. The moment you take this conscious call that from this moment I am not going to live my life in a reactive form, I am going to live in a responsive way. I will live my life with responsibility. You will see the shift in 24 hours. By tomorrow morning, you will be a new person. Have a happy Diwali. May this coming year give you health, wealth, and prosperity. Thank you very much. If you like my this small gift to you, just acknowledge me with liking. Thank you very much.